Oh, I bought a new 2022 Ultra 310X for $14,500. 2023 310X was $18,299. Sales guy said no difference from 22 to 23. Can't find any info that says different. Is it the same? Yes, they are the same. They are identical. There was a price hike. There is a materials price hike. There were discounts in that first year. There are no longer discounts in the second year. The demand is enough that they do not need to make any sort of discounts. And that price for 14.5 was a smoking deal. That's a smoking deal because not a lot of people got that deal for 22. Plus, we've watched the Fed, and I know people get mad when Kevin brings up politics, but then they don't want to know the answers to their questions. So I don't know what to do because you want an answer to a question, and I'm going to give you the answer, and it just so happens to coincide with politics. The reality is that interest rates have gone up significantly as the Federal Reserve has continued printing money. And we have recently seen that both India and Saudi Arabia are no longer using the petrodollar as the default currency, and they are now using the yuan. And that means that the US dollar is in even less circulation, so expect prices to go up. But my point in bringing this all up is to say that your money is worth less. So all that being said, there's no difference between 2022 and 2023. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.